Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer classroom rosters into Schoology, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Schoology account. Once logged in, navigate to the Courses section from the main menu. Select the course for which you want to transfer the roster. Click on Manage in the course options. From the drop-down menu, select Add Members. Next, look for the Import option in the Add Members window. Choose the file format you have for your roster, typically CSV or Excel. If you have a CSV file, click on Upload and select your file from your computer. Ensure that the file columns match the required fields in Schoology. Check that you have included student names, email addresses, and any other necessary information. Once you've confirmed the details, click on the Import button. Wait for the system to process the file. You will see a confirmation message once the import is complete. If there are any errors, the system will provide feedback for corrections. Review any alerts and make necessary adjustments in your file. If you need to make changes, edit your original roster file and re-import. Final checks should include ensuring all students are correctly added to the course. Now, return to the course dashboard to verify the new roster. Congratulations, your classroom roster is now transferred into Schoology. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.